Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 11 and 10. If Roblox isn't launching on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, don't worry, you can fix it easily by updating your system and graphics drivers. First, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Windows Update from the left sidebar. Now, click on Check for Updates to see if there are any new updates available for your system. If updates are found, let them download and install. Next, go back to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, then open it. Here, click on Display Adapters to expand the list of your installed graphics drivers. Now, right-click on your graphics driver, for example, Intel UHD Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce, or AMD Radeon, and select Update Driver. Then, choose Search automatically for drivers so Windows can find and install the newest version for your GPU. This helps fix compatibility issues that may be preventing Roblox from launching. Once the update completes, close the Device Manager window. Now, restart your computer to make sure all changes take effect. After your PC starts up, open Roblox and try launching a game. It should now load normally without crashing or freezing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.